Hey Internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in textbooks. Why is thermodynamics different from heat transfer? Summary: the thermodynamics focuses on how much heat transfer there is in a system and one state to another. So how much there is, so the amount. And as for heat transfer, it focuses on the rate transferred and the temperature patterns in a system at a certain time. Just a side note, depending on who teaches you, temperature patterns may also be called temperature profiles or temperature distributions. Now we'll just go in depth just a little bit more. So we're just going to have like the list of what each one does. So we talked about the focus, so macroscopic properties, temperature, pressure, volume for thermodynamics. We've got the equilibrium states. So this is from one state to another. We talked about that. Thermodynamics focuses on the laws, so first law, second law, and third law. So conservation of energy, the direction of a natural process, so entropy only goes one way, and the third law where they approach absolute zero. So applications is for efficiencies, so generally engines or phase change such as melting materials or chemical reactions. So for heat transfer, the focus is for mechanisms and rates. So you want to find out how much energy is exchanged between one system to another system. And then we have different modes. So we've got your high school heat transfer, so conduction, convection, radiation. I'm sure most students remember those ones. So we've got touch, wind, and then energy. And then we have temperature patterns. So we're looking at what the temperature is from the system and how it varies. So this is like heat flow. So from the hot end to the cold end. And then you want to find out what temperature is at what place, and then you want to find out how much the item, maybe product or metal, dissipates the heat. So okay, one example is an engine that we just talked about earlier. You want to find out how much heat it can dissipate over time. So you want your engine to be relatively cool so it doesn't overheat. Okay, applications, so heating, cooling systems, so that's HVAC, insulation, and then you got your electronics and machinery as well. Alright, so like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have questions or if this was helpful. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question and it's not in textbooks, so you won't find it anywhere else. Until next time, see ya.